Hey, we're back. I'm Melvin Yates, just showing you this. We are 5, 7, the end of day 7. So beginning of day 8, no work happening today, but the 7th full day of work on this treehouse project. And as you can see, it's coming along. They've already put actually built the insulation. So there's a floor, and then there's a subfloor, and then in between that they put the insulation. So it's coming along. It's pretty, pretty sturdy as you can see. So this is just the first level. This front part is going to be the front porch going around. There's going to be, again, this is a treehouse / jungle gym for the kiddos. So going to be slides and climbing ropes and nets and different things. But let's kind of show you. This is going to be the front porch. That's going to be the wraparound porch. The steps on this side, are going to be up to the 2nd story, which is going to be around like this. I think it's the 2nd story is supposed to be about 6.5. So that might be the top. This is the bottom, and then there's going to be insulation in that 2nd story. But let me show you the back side. I actually had to build some temporary scaffolding just to be able to properly mount the exterior joist for the 2nd level. But you can look under here and see. So this is where this is the bottom floor. So the insulation is in that, between this. So you got the 2x6 or 2x8s, the joists, and then the insulation is in between. It's not too hazardous, right? Is it? All this will be cleaned up before the kids can play. No sharp objects around once it's finished, right? But yeah, just trying to give you an update. It's coming along again. The end of day 7 completed. We're thinking it's probably about a 20-day project, beginning to end. So we're almost, not quite at the halfway mark, but by next time we come, we should have some walls up. And then at least maybe the flooring of the upstairs. So I'm Melvin Yates, just bringing you this recent construction project, and I'll see you next time.